In 2026, the electric vehicle market faces a brutal reality check. Tesla has rolled out aggressive new pricing for the 2026 Model 3, starting at a cutthroat $36,990 for the stripped-down, standard trim and peaking at $54,990 for the dual-motor performance model, with the top-tier variant generating a staggering 510 horsepower and crushing the 0-260 sprint in a verified 2.9 seconds. The performance metrics remain undeniable. But alongside severe cost-cutting measures on the entry-level models and relentless competition from global legacy automakers, the ultimate question emerges: is the 2026 iteration of this electric sedan a definitive automotive triumph or an overrated tech appliance riding on past glory? For the most relentless fact-driven automotive analysis on the internet, subscribe to the channel, APEX Reveal. To understand the 2026 value proposition, prospective buyers must critically examine the newly reintroduced standard trim, priced at exactly $36,990. This entry-level rear-wheel drive configuration is engineered strictly for price accessibility. It utilizes a 69.5 kWh battery pack, delivering a respectable 286 horsepower and a 5.8-second acceleration time to 60 miles per hour. Total range sits at an EPA estimated 321 miles. However, achieving this sub-$37,000 price tag required surgical feature deletions. The renowned 15-speaker premium audio system is slashed to a basic 7-speaker setup. Full leather upholstery is downgraded to textile cloth inserts. Ventilated front seats, the rear 8-inch passenger entertainment screen, and even power-folding exterior mirrors have been entirely erased from the spec sheet. For automotive purists, this base model borders on an economy rental specification rather than a premium luxury experience. Yet, stepping up to the $42,490 premium rear-wheel drive alters the mathematical equation entirely. This mid-tier configuration restores the premium interior amenities and pushes the driving range to an impressive 363 miles. Furthermore, across the entire 2026 lineup, engineers quietly corrected the most heavily criticized design flaws of the previous Highland refresh. The highly controversial steering wheel-mounted turn signal buttons are dead. A traditional physical indicator stalk has triumphantly returned to the steering column. Additionally, a new front-facing bumper camera finally provides reliable, vision-based parking assistance, eliminating the blind spots that plagued the 2024 and 2025 production years. Exterior aesthetics have also matured, with all 2026 vehicles ditching chrome entirely in favor of factory matte black badges and lettering. For high-performance driving enthusiasts, the $54,990 performance all-wheel drive remains a formidable Kenyan carver. It leverages a track-tuned adaptive suspension package, upgraded high thermal capacity brake calipers, and staggered 20-inch wheels, producing a combined 510 horsepower from its dual permanent magnet, synchronous AC motors. It sustains a top speed of 162 miles per hour. The chassis dynamics benefit from an independent double wishbone front suspension and a multi-link rear setup, providing immediate turn-in response and minimizing body roll during high-G cornering. Track mode software allows drivers to dynamically adjust the front rear torque distribution and regenerative braking intensity, effectively transforming a daily commuter into a dedicated weekend track weapon. At this price bracket, finding a combustion engine vehicle that delivers comparable straight-line acceleration and active torque vectoring is mathematically impossible. When evaluating efficiency and total cost of ownership, the aerodynamic engineering cannot be ignored. The current bodywork maintains a staggering 0.219 drag coefficient, allowing the rear-wheel drive configurations to achieve 128 mpge in highway testing. Beyond the vehicle architecture itself, ownership is fundamentally bolstered by the proprietary Supercharger network. With integrated NACS fast charging ports, the vehicle can accept up to 175 kilowatts of DC fast charging on the base battery and over 250 kilowatts on the larger 79 kilowatt-hours packs, recovering hundreds of miles of range in under 25 minutes. This infrastructure reliability remains a crucial data point that competing electric brands continually fail to replicate. So, is the 2026 Model 3 overrated? The data points to a highly conditional answer. The $36,990 standard version sacrifices to many core comfort features, making it feel distinctly compromised. However, the premium and performance variants remain undisputed masterclasses in electric vehicle engineering. By reintroducing physical driving controls, adding essential camera hardware, and maintaining class-leading energy efficiency, the 2026 lineup solidifies its dominance. It is not an overrated appliance. It is a highly evolved machine that forces the rest of the automotive industry to play catch-up.